Let Reviewer 2019. Professional Education. 006B. The actual exam requires you to think fast and compose in a given situation. Try to answer along, and find out how far you already know. By answering more review questions enhances your thinking skills. It also prepares you well on your upcoming examination. Watch until the end of this video and you might find question that you pass the examination. Good luck. 26. Clearance has inherent skills in taking care of plants. It is highly possible that she has intelligence. A. Intrapersonal intelligence. B. Naturalistic intelligence. C. Spatial intelligence. D. Existential intelligence. The correct answer is B. Naturalistic intelligence. 27. According to Erikson, a child who is cold towards that people among him might have failed to attain what basic goal based on psychosocial development? A. Autonomy. B. Trust. C. Initiative. D. Mistrust. The correct answer is B. Trust. 28. What is most likely characteristic of children aged 3 to 5 according to Erikson? A. Mischievous. B. Egocentric. C. Lazy. D. Altruistic. The correct answer is B. Egocentric. 29. Mrs. Cruz dreams to organize a seminar with a known poet from another country, but she cannot afford to spend for a transportation of the said poet. Which of the following can she use so she won't need to spend much? A. Distant communication. B. Instant messaging. C. Video conferencing. D. Podcasting. The correct answer is C. Video conferencing. 30. Teacher Lally wants her students to express their opinions regarding a certain government issue. Which of the following can she use to do this? A. Forum. B. Blog. C. Email. D. Group messaging system. The correct answer is A. Forum. 31. Which is the first step in planning periodic test? A. Select the type of test to be used. B. Construct a table specification. C. Go back to the instructional objectives. D. Determine the group of whom the test is intended. The correct answer is C. Go back to the instructional objectives. 32. Below is a list of methods used to establish the reliability of a test. Which method is questionable due to practice and familiarity? A. Split half. B. Equivalent form. C. Cuter-Richardson. D. Test-retest. The correct answer is D. Test-retest. 33. What is meaning of TOS in the parlance of test construction? A. Table of specifics. B. Table of specification. C. Table of specific test. D. Table of subject. The correct answer is A. Table of specifics. 34. Ms. Soriano will be absent for 2 days because of a national conference. She wants her student to work on a certain module. What is the fastest way of sending the module to her students while she is away? A. Share it to all her students in her live account. B. Email a module to her students. C. Send the module through group instant messaging. D. Message each of the students on a social networking site. The correct answer is B. Email a module to her students. 35. Teacher Vincent is assigned to handle a multiple grade class. What instructional material must be used to provide the need of each grade? A. Differentiated materials to cater to different levels. B. Multisensory materials. C. Colorful, useful, and durable materials. D. Materials of high-level thinking skills. The correct answer is A. Differentiated materials to cater to different levels. 36. A document publishes by a school district that identifies rules of behavior that must be followed by anyone using the school district's computers, network, or internet connection. A. Ethical Internet Use Policy. B. Classroom Rules. C. Acceptable Use Policy. D. Fair Use. The correct answer is A. Ethical Internet Use Policy. 37. Which of the following are the rationales behind using technology in the classrooms? 1. Motivational. 2. Unique instructional capabilities. 3. Increase teachers' productivity. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3. The correct answer is D. 2, and 3. 38. Using Bloom's taxonomy, the highest among the following is A. Critical comprehension. B. Critical evaluation. C. Integration. D. Literal comprehension. The correct answer is B. Critical evaluation. 39. Among the following educators, who proposed the placement of children in a prepared environment? A. Thorndike. B. Montessori. C. Kilpatrick. D. Froebel. The correct answer is A. Thorndike. 40. To improve comprehension and retention among the students, the teacher's best option would be use A. 6 thing hats, B. SQ3R. C. Contextual clues. D. Autodidactic activities. The correct answer is B. SQ3R. 41. Who among the philosophers considered habits and reasons as equally important forces to be cultivated in education? A. Avicenna. B. Aristotle. C. Jerome Bruner. D. Maria Montessori. The correct answer is B. Aristotle. 42. What practice, S, will demonstrate the teacher's genuine concern on the learning of students? A. Confer progress of students to their parent. B. Guide students to meet their learning goals. C. Validates if learning goals were met. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. 43. Which of the following is the most important component of educational reform? A. Allowing the students to participate more in extracurricular activities. B. Implementing a better curriculum for students. C. Hiring only the excellent teachers. D. Involving parents in the dedication for the children. The correct answer is B. Implementing a better curriculum for students. 44. To increase the difficulty of a multiple choice test item, which of the following should be done? A. Make the options equal in length. B. Make the options homogeneous. C. Make it grammatically correct. D. Make the stem. The correct answer is B. Make the options homogeneous. 45. Teacher Anna set 85% accuracy in a test on predicting the kind of weather given 5 different atmospheric conditions, may obtain a score of 82% can be interpreted as A. She is 3% short of the set percentile score. B. She did not meet the set standards by 3%. C. She obtained 82% percentile score. D. She is higher than 82% of the group. The correct answer is B. She did not meet the set standards by 3%. 46. Teacher Vincent wants to establish the reality of test in biology. Which of the following will he accomplish? 1. Administer a parallel test. 2. Split the test. 3. Construct a variety of items. 4. Administer the same test twice. A. 1, 3, 4. B. 1, 2, 4. C. 1, 2. D. 1, 4. The correct answer is B. 1, 2, 4. 47. Teacher Vilma constructed a matching type test item. In her column of descriptions are combinations, presidents, current issues, and sports. Which of the constructing a matching type test items was not followed? A. The descriptions must be homogeneous. B. The options must be greater than the descriptions. C. The descriptions must be heterogeneous. D. Arrange the options according the orders. The correct answer is A. The descriptions must be homogeneous. 48. Which of the following does not belong to the group when we talk about projective personality test? A. Sentence completion test. B. Word association test. C. Interview. D. Thematic apperception test. The correct answer is C. Interview. 49. Which of the following is the main purpose of administering a pre-test and post-test to the students? A. Measure the value of the materials used. B. Accustom the students in frequent testing. C. Measure gain in learning. D. Measure the effectiveness of instruction. The correct answer is D. Measure the effectiveness of instruction. 50. Which is implied by a positively skewed score distribution? A. The mean, the median and the moderate are equal. B. Most of the scores are low. C. Most of the scores are high. D. The mode is high. The correct answer is B. Most of the scores are low. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button and the notification bell to get update for the next video. Looking for the first part of this video? See at the description. Good luck, and God bless.